Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of English with Altaf. Today, we are going to talk about something very important for every English learner, accepting our imperfections and still moving forward. The topic is, I'm not perfect, but my English is improving.
Hi everyone! Yes, in this video, we'll discuss how small efforts, daily practice, and a positive mindset can help you improve your English, even if you make mistakes. Don't worry about perfection. The key is progress.
Let me start by saying something that many learners feel deep inside. I'm afraid to speak because I might make mistakes. Have you ever felt like that? I know I have. But the truth is, mistakes are not bad. They are signs that you're learning something new.
Exactly, Annie. When we try something new, especially a language, it's completely normal to struggle. We might use the wrong words, forget grammar, or say things that sound funny. But that's part of the journey. If you wait to be perfect, you might never start.
I used to think that if I couldn't speak perfect English, people would laugh at me or judge me. But then I realized no one starts perfectly. Even native speakers make mistakes. So now I proudly say, I'm not perfect, but my English is improving.
That's a beautiful attitude, Annie, and it's one that every learner should adopt. Let me share something. A student of mine once said, "Sir, I can understand English, but I cannot speak fluently." I told him, "Speak anyway. Even one sentence a day will help you."
Yes, and one sentence becomes two. Two becomes a paragraph. Then one day you're speaking without even thinking about it. That's how it happens. Slowly, day by day.
A common mistake learners make is comparing themselves with others. They see someone fluent and feel discouraged. But remember, you don't know how much effort that person has put in. Everyone has their own timeline.
Very true. When I started learning, I didn't even know how to introduce myself properly. I would say things like, I am go to school, instead of I go to school. But instead of quitting, I kept listening, reading, and practicing. And now I can express myself better.
Let's take a quick example. Suppose someone says he go to office every day. It's incorrect. It should be he goes to the office every day. But instead of saying, "I'm so bad at English," say, "Now I know how to correct it. I'm improving."
That's the mindset. Improve, not impress. If you try to impress everyone, you'll stress yourself. But if you try to improve yourself, you'll see growth. And guess what? Improvement brings confidence.
Let me give another tip to our viewers. Start speaking English with yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in the mirror. Say simple things like, "Today I am feeling happy," or "I want to drink water." When you hear your own voice in English, you become more confident.
I used to do that all the time. Sometimes I would even record myself and listen later. It felt strange at first, but it helped me catch my mistakes and see my progress. It's a great way to practice.
And don't be afraid of feedback. If someone corrects your sentence, thank them. That correction is helping you grow. Nobody becomes fluent without feedback.
Yes, and don't stop watching English videos or listening to podcasts. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain is absorbing the rhythm and structure. Slowly, you'll understand more and more.
Another thing is reading. Try reading children's books or simple stories. Don't rush. Read slowly, understand, and try to repeat the sentences. Reading helps you think in English.
One thing that helped me was writing a diary in English. Every night I would write a few lines about my day. I went to work. I met my friend. We drank tea. Simple sentences, but very helpful.
That's a great practice. It improves grammar, vocabulary, and confidence. And here's the best part. When you look back after 1 month or two, you'll be surprised how much better you've become.
To all our viewers, please don't say, I'm bad at English. Instead, say, I'm learning English. I'm improving. Positive words create positive energy. Your words shape your confidence.
Absolutely. So the next time someone asks, "Are you fluent in English?" you can say, "I'm not perfect, but my English is improving every day." That shows courage, honesty, and a strong attitude.
Let's not forget, every expert was once a beginner. So don't be afraid of your mistakes. Be proud of your efforts. Be proud that you are learning a new language.
You are not alone in this journey. There are millions of people like you trying to learn and speak English. Keep moving forward. Don't stop just because it's hard. The best things in life take time.
So let's quickly review what we've learned today. First, it's okay to make mistakes. Second, focus on progress, not perfection. Third, practice daily. Speak, write, read, and listen. And finally, stay positive and don't compare yourself to others.
Yes, and always remember, fluency is not about using big words. It's about expressing yourself clearly, and you're already on the right path. So say it with confidence. I'm not perfect, but my English is improving.
That's it for today's video. We hope you found this helpful and encouraging.
Thanks for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. See you in the next video.